Want to learn how to make these scrumptious treats? Well, if you promise not to eat them, I'll show you guys how. Let's start by getting our solid ingredients melted down. This recipe begins with deodorized cocoa butter. To that, add your avocado butter. Follow up with a little bit of emulsifying wax, which will ensure these melts don't leave an oily film on the top of your tub water. These just need to be popped into the microwave until everything is fully melted. And just like that, we can move on into our next ingredients. First, add your castor oil, which will add even more moisturizing benefits to our bath melts. Next, we can add our polysorbate 80, which will further help these emulsify into our bath water. Today, I'm using our tropical fruit fragrance, which you guys have to smell it for yourself. It smells awesome. Give that a good stir to blend in with our other ingredients, and we can finish off our bath melts with some shimmer. I'll be using a bath-safe mica powder for use in my bath melts, and you can use any oil-compatible color in them that you'd like. With that added in, give everything one last stir and pour into your molds of choice. I'm using these adorable fruit molds, so our bath melts will look like a cute little fruit salad. Now these need to harden up, so let's pop them in the freezer for a bit and then they can be unmolded. Alright, now that my bath melts are done, just look how cute they are. Remember, these bath melts are temperature sensitive, so if you live in a warm location, store these accordingly. Each bath melt costs us less than $1 to make, meaning this 16-ounce jar here can be sold wholesale for $2 to $4 and retail for $6 to $8. Did you guys have fun making this? Well, I did. Be sure to head over to our channel to check out all of our cool DIYs and other projects that we have in store. You don't want to miss it. And be sure to hit that bell icon to stay notified when we post next. Until next time, see you later, alligators.